Hey Cougs! Tonight we're getting a lot of positive reactions here at Boom in the Night, hosted by our student chemistry club, also known as the Dead Alchemist Society. This annual event, held at our Henry Science Center, is open to the community and welcomes all ages to learn how fun science can be. There are all sorts of educational presentations, hands-on demos, and messy experiments that you can bring home. Everything you see tonight is run by members of the Dead Alchemist Society with the help of any aspiring scientists who come by their tables. And of course it wouldn't be a true October event without a spooky twist, so our Misericordia students came up with the perfect solution to make everything Halloween themed. Let's hear from the president of the club to tell us a little bit more about Boom in the Night.
So what is Boom in the Night all about and what it means to the community and to Misericordia? Well, Boom in the Night, we've had this event going for over 30 years, I believe started by Dr. Fedor, and just a way to really reach the community, all the young kids, and get them excited and engaged about science and STEM as a whole. Overall, nationwide, our rates in STEM are declining, so it's very important for this outreach to show kids that chemistry is fun and science is fun, and it's not all math and boring like people might think it is. The kids get to come, they get to do a lot of experiments, they get to make slime and foam, they of course get to watch everything explode, our Coke and Mentos and Puking Pumpkins. So it's just a great way to reach the community and get involved and serve the local elementary school kids and middle school kids and get them excited about science. Definitely a couple hundred families came to join. At one point in Henry, we were all pretty snug tight in there. I know the lines for slime and foam were pretty long, but I think we managed well. My favorite part of Boom in the Night is always the outdoor show. The kids get so excited and so into it. They're cheering for scientists they don't even know, and of course they're blow it up chant. They just love to watch things catch on fire and explode, and I love that they're so inquisitive and they love to learn, and you can really see it in the outdoor show. Well, we're always looking to expand. It's a little crazy, it takes a lot of work. I give huge kudos to Dr. Fedor. She really does amazing putting this event together every single year, and I saw this year being the president how much work goes into that, but she's always trying to keep it new and exciting for the kids, and we think that we're going to have to add a few things that go boom to fit Boom in the Night.
Tonight was full of fun, but it wasn't just about the experiments, it was about forming bonds with the community. You can really feel the chemistry when everyone's learning and laughing together. Until next time, roll Cougs!